Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome, and this is Pure Reviews. So I review all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share it away, and then it would be really awesome of you guys if you hit that subscribe button because it helps me out. So today I'm outside enjoying the beautiful weather, and I wanted to share with you a great little device if you are into powder protein drinks, Slim Fast, that kind of stuff, or if you're a big fan of smoothies and you don't like how they get separated after a while, this could also be useful for you. So the brand is basically Equra, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is the box it comes in. I will include a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself, see what other reviews are on Amazon, etc. But box is pretty straightforward. It is BPA-free. It has everything built in to mix it and stir it, everything for you, which is really, really nice. So once you open the box, you're going to get a little instruction booklet. You probably don't really need that, but you get it. And you're going to get, I have tons of these. These are a little USB micro cable. Does not come with the brick, so you have to have that laying around. But this is how you charge it. And then you'll charge it by plugging it in. There's a little rubber thing here in the name. You put that in, and that's where you plug it in. And then on the other side is a button, how you turn it on. And another feature I really like about this is it has the measurements right on here, so you can see you can fill it all the way up to 500 milliliters, or you can 15 ounces or 12 ounces, whatever you want, depending on what your mixture is, whatever you need. It holds a nice tight, so if it falls over, it's not going to leak on you. It has a nice big wide open here for drinking and a nice rubber lid. So those are all the pluses. The one minus that I would say that it has is because all the electronic components are built into the device itself. That means it is not dishwasher safe, and it is cannot be submerged into water. So you have to be kind of careful when you clean it. But I do have a tip at the end here that I'm going to show you how an easy way to clean it instead of having to scrub it all up and down the sides. So before I put in a little protein powder to show you how it mixes up here, I'll turn it on so you can see the little kind of tornado action it has going on here. And there you go. So you can see it gets a little tornado, very thoroughly mixes it up, which is really nice because it makes everything really nice and creamy and well mixed. And like I said, if you're a big fan of smoothies, it will also remix all those layers. So just take whatever your favorite protein powder is, drop it in there, then we will screw back on the lid, and then push down the button again, and then there you go. And it's going to start mixing it up. Obviously, you want to let it run for a little while so that it gets nice and creamy and mixed up for you. And yeah, that's basically it. And it's travel size, it's to go. So one of the big perks, instead of just using something at home, is if you're like me, you're taking a while to drink it, it starts to separate. You can just mix it up whenever you want, which is really, really nice. Now, like I said, if you want an easy way to clean it, so we're going to go ahead and pour this out, but you can see it's, it's very well mixed. So we'll pour this out, and all you need to do is grab whatever your favorite dish detergent is. I have Dawn here. Just sprinkle a little of that in here. You'll obviously want, which I didn't do, you'll want to rinse it out before you do that part, but then pour some fresh water in. Don't fill it all the way up to the top because you want it to get nice and sudsy. Then seal it back up. Hold the button back down. And it's going to get all the moisture and all the soap and the bubbles are going to get in there, which is going to be nice and clean. And then all you have to do is a final rinse or a little quick scrub, and you're good to go. So that's a little easy, quick tip on cleaning it if you don't want to clean it every time and scrub it every time. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's basically it. It's a pretty simple, straightforward device. I find very useful, especially if you like working out, etc. So hit me up in the comments below if you have any questions. And like I said, I will put a link in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon and see what other people are saying about it. And please do hit that subscribe button to the channel. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.